Okay, so OnePlus got this amazing feature of multi-screen connect between OnePlus smartphones and PC. Today in this video, we'll talk about the same feature. We'll show you guys the connections between PC and OnePlus smartphones. We'll also talk about the features, what all things you can use, and later we'll also talk about connectivity between OnePlus Pad with that of OnePlus smartphones. Right now it is available on OnePlus 9 series, 10 series and 11 series. I'm not sure about OnePlus 8 series. I haven't yet tested it, though they have received the OxygenOS 13 update, but this feature wasn't added on those smartphones. If we get the update in future, I'll update you guys about the same thing. But right now, let's talk about the features, connectivity and other things. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, let me clear one thing. To connect your smartphone with PC, you don't need your OnePlus account sign in on your PC. But if you're connecting your OnePlus smartphone with OnePlus tablet, then obviously you'll need the same OnePlus account on both the devices. On your PC, you need to download the application called Multi-Screen Connect. I'll leave that application link in the description below. Just download and install it manually. And also you won't be able to connect your OnePlus Pad with your OnePlus PC because OnePlus Pad right now don't have the option of QR code scan and automatically it doesn't get connected. But if you see here on OnePlus 11, we do have an option to connect the device with the help of QR code. This thing is not present on OnePlus Pad. So right now OnePlus Pad cannot be connected with your PC if you're using the same application, which is Multi-Screen Connect. And I seriously found this seamless connectivity very useful. Before to transfer the files, I always had to use my data cable and manually connect the device, but right now that's not the case. As said, it's a very useful feature. If the device is placed in close proximity, you can easily connect your device to PC with a single click. If you connect your smartphone to PC, so it is kind of like screencast. You have to allow screencast and the entire screen of your device will be seen on your PC, from where you can see who is calling you, you can reply to the notifications. Though one drawback is there, you cannot pick up the call directly on the PC. You have to use your device to talk to the person. We also tested out this file which we transferred on a PC using the same seamless connectivity, and it's a file of 1.4 GB. It took approximate 1.5 minutes to transfer from my phone to PC. It's a decent speed though because it uses 2.4 GHz connection. Your device screen will be automatically locked within few seconds if you're using this feature on your PC. But on your PC, you can easily access to your device even if the device screen is turned off. Though avoid locking your device because once you lock the device, you won't have access until you unlock the device manually. There are some limited features what you guys gonna see when connecting your smartphone to PC. For example, there are features like you can sync clipboard and also sync notification. And when we talk about sync clipboard, so this is how it works. So if you have any URL or any text which you copied on your device and later on your PC, if you open Chrome, you have a direct option to paste it here. So if I paste, you can see we have this similar URL which we copied. And it is not only restricted to copying URL, you can copy anything. For example, here I have a note which consists of our website. I'll just copy it from here, copy. And the same thing can be pasted here in the Chrome. There you can see now. And it's a really useful feature where you can sync your data. And the similar thing goes with the gallery also. From here you can directly copy paste. For example, here you can see there's an image. I'll just drag and drop it on the PC. That particular file will be pasted here. As you can see, we have that image present on a PC now. And you'll also notice a little bit of latency issues here. It doesn't happen always, but yes, most of the times it do happen because the device using 2.4 GHz connection. If your device is at rest, then it performs pretty fast. So these are some of the features which you guys can use using multi-screen connect feature by connecting your smartphone to PC. Now let's talk about the features which can be used by connecting OnePlus Pad with that of OnePlus other smartphones. Using multi-screen connect with OnePlus Pad makes a lot of sense because the things which you can do with this feature are quite useful when you have a tablet. Also, you get the ability to app relay. We'll talk about the app relay in a while. Other things are kind of similar. For example, if you copy any URL, it will give you a pop-up that URL have been copied to the clipboard. Later, you can just go to browser and paste the same URL. As you can see here, this is the same URL which we copied from our OnePlus 11. Similar way, you can also copy and paste your notes between these phones. You can see the notification popped up, send to device, and you can also send them to a different device using nearby sharing feature. Now talking about the app relay option, so this is again kind of useful feature. So for example, what I'll do is, let's open up Chrome application here. So soon I open up Chrome application, you can see the last icon is the same application which we opened on our OnePlus 11, and it also shows this screencast icon. If you tap on it, this similar page will be opened here. You just need to allow the permissions of screencast, tapping on start, and there we go. Here it will be minimized, but other things can be used on your tablet now. On the top it will show you that your device is connected with OnePlus 11 or any other smartphone. And if you close the application, a floating icon will appear of the similar app. You can open it anytime. To stop casting, you have to tap the icon which is present on your connected device. From there, you just have to stop casting, and this also supports multiple applications. For example, now let's open up Facebook, and you can see the Facebook icon popping up. Tapping on it, now Facebook will open on our OnePlus Pad. So this is the app relay feature which you guys can use it between your OnePlus smartphones and your OnePlus Pad with the help of multi-screen cast. And multi-screen connect is not limited to only one phone. You can anytime connect multiple devices, but make sure your both the devices or multiple devices should have this similar account. On my both these phones, I have the same account running, and that's the reason soon I get them close, they automatically get connected. So guys, these are some of the features which you guys can use with the help of multi-screen cast. If I missed out anything, then do let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up, and also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.